Snidbits, our version of Cliff Notes for popular keywords. We'll leave the links in the description because we want you to get an A. Roses are red, violets are blue. The person you love just dumped you. Before you crawl into the depths of despair with a jug of wine, let Auntie Adventure Girl give you a little bit of advice, because I've so been there. One of my exes moved me across the country to live with his parents and then dumped me 3 weeks later for some girl he knew from high school. Experts state that breakups are similar to physical pain. MRI scans show that those going through loss of romantic love are triggering the same brain centers as addicts suffering opioid addiction withdrawal. It isn't your fault. Your brain is going through dopamine withdrawals. How are you going to get through this world-shattering misery? First of all, allow yourself to cry. Cry it all out. Stuffing the pain isn't going to help you move forward. Seeing a therapist isn't a bad idea. And you can always lean on the support of friends and family who honestly were probably hating on your ex anyway. Just be careful that you don't dwell so deep into your misery that they get sick of listening to you. Learn that one from experience. Relationship coach Julie Nguyen suggests something that I absolutely wholeheartedly agree with. Zero contact with your ex. Don't call, don't text, and for God's sake, don't go on their social media. All of this is easier said than done, I know, but trust me, doing any of those things is just going to put you through masochistic torture and make you look pitiful to your ex. In fact, block them, delete their number, and never go to any of the places that they frequent. Instead, work on self-care. Try a new look, get a massage, start a new fitness routine, get a new hairdo. But please, don't get bangs. Learn from my mistakes. The best revenge is looking fierce and moving on. Oh, and my ex married that skank, and she dumped him less than a year later, so hey, karma's a bitch. Having trouble keeping weight on? Try a protein shake. Trying to bulk up and gain muscle mass? Try a protein shake. Need to drop a few pounds? Try a protein shake. An offshoot of 8,000-year-old cheese making, rendered milk protein called whey was used in 460 BCE by Hippocrates as a treatment to boost the immune system. Around 160 BC, Rome, the society best known for orgies and cultural appropriation, used whey protein as a medicinal tonic. Whey also became fashionable in 17th century England, and it was still considered a very healthy tonic, especially for those who had trouble keeping on weight. Fast forward to the 1940s, when weightlifting became a popular sport and whey protein was considered a staple for bodybuilders. By 1952, weightlifting coach Bob Hoffman marketed his high-protein shakes, and the Flexosauruses lined up to chug them down. $1 billion industry was born. By the 90s, protein shakes were marketed to either help you gain weight or lose weight, often the same product for both. 21st century protein shakes were rebranded as meal replacements, and there are a plethora to choose from, some that don't contain whey or any dairy. You can find my reviews of some very popular meal replacement shakes on this channel. One of the latest popular designer dogs is the mini golden doodle, a hybrid of a toy poodle and a golden retriever. I hope the golden retriever is the mom. These blonde, curly-haired canines can be from 15 to 35 pounds and typically live 10 to 15 years. Hypoallergenic and low maintenance with grooming, they're easy to train and have a very gentle temperament. They're described as a loyal family dog and great with children, but don't expect them to be a good watchdog. They're lovers, not fighters. The mini golden doodle's social nature makes them extremely dependent upon their family pack, so much so that they commonly suffer from separation anxiety when left alone. Anxiety-triggered behaviors include incessant barking and chewing. Puppies from reputable breeders run $1,600 to $2,600. Damn. Common health issues include retinal atrophy, von Willebrand's disease, bloat, hypothyroidism, and patellar luxation. So, your $2,000 dog could end up being an obese, blind, gassy bleeder with a bad knee that chews up your couch.